Bad breath means a bad smell is coming from the mouth either due to the food we take or due to health problems. So why does the mouth smell bad in the first place? The main reason is that food waste gets stored in the cavities and bad microorganisms grow to eat it. The more those bad microorganisms are there, the more bad smell we get. Similarly, if there is a good environment in the mouth, there is no favorable environment for the growth of bad bacteria. Apart from this, when we eat a lot of waste food, junk food, fast food, sweets, empty carbohydrates, and chocolates, all these stick and get stored. When there are microbes that have grown to eat them in the cavities of the teeth, the waste they leave is stuck like plaque anywhere in the cavities on the inside of the teeth, and the germs develop more and more in it. And the second reason is that when the motion does not go properly, the intestines and the digestive tract are full of toxic load and the mouth smells more. That means, when there is impurity in this digestive tract, there are more smells in the mouth. These smells also reveal how much purity you have inside. The smell of urine, smell of stool, smell of sweat, smell of mouth, these 5 smells are coming strongly, which means that there is a stock of garbage inside us. We all look fresh on the outside, but inside we smell. Those who drink less water smell more. The waste does not go out properly. That's why these days many people wear suits and shoes and look neat, but if they open their mouths, they smell. That's why they keep talking with scent in their pocket without smelling. We are trying to cover up such smells. Therefore, all these are also the reason for tooth infections, rotting and chronic diseases. And what should be done to avoid this bad smell? Drink plenty of water in the morning and try to go to the bathroom. If it doesn't go, do an enema and clean the bowels, and from there make them go to motion twice daily in the morning. If you drink 2 to 2.5 liters of water early in the morning, it means that all the toxins inside you will go away 80% through urine and 20% through motion. Brush well. But those who have more germs should chew neem stick for 10 minutes. If that neem goes bitter, bad bacteria will die. That's why it is good for all those who have bad breath to do chew neem stick 10 minutes daily for 1 month or 2 months. Try to gargle well after meals. Is there any alternative to mouth sprays? Yes, cardamom. Put cardamom in your mouth and keep chewing it. It has a good smell that does not leave a bad smell in the mouth. Sometimes cloves occasionally. Both of these are good. There is one more important thing. Large pieces of amla. If you dry it and keep it at home and chewing occasionally now and then, the bad bacteria will die. It contains high doses of vitamin C. It is a powerful cleaning agent. If you use these 3, you don't have to use mouth sprays anymore.